Alright, let's go. Okay, ain't got no lights inside, no nothing. Let's see what we got here. Key in. Dang, man, it's like the, wow, it's like the battery's disconnected. I mean, I got no power, no nothing. Huh. Alright, let's go out here and leave that open. Let's go out here and take a look at the battery. That looks like a spanky new alternator. Is the battery dead? Okay, let's move these terminals around here. I did move that one a little bit. The ground is solid. You know, I did move that around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and let's cut our headlights. Let's cut our headlights on. So just in case we do hit something and power comes back on, we'll know where we at. Alright, that terminal over here was loose. Alright, let's grab us a multimeter. And again, guys, I still didn't get my new multimeter yet. So I'm going to be using the Vantage Pro in multimeter mode. Alright, so just grab your multimeter and go to test along with me. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, I love this garage because it's like so peaceful, man. And the sun's not beating on me. I think I'm gonna build me a garage. Alright, let's cut this on. Let's cut the machine on. And as I said, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go down into digital meter. I want to check volts, DC. Now I'm expecting it to not move as much as is what it is, 0. Because this thing is completely dead. Alright, let's hook up the positive. Hook up the negative. Alright. Oh! Well, now, that's shocking. I got the headlights on. We're reading 12.3 volts, 12 volts. All right. Wow. Okay. On the GM, we know GM, the battery cable, positive side, goes directly down to the starter. And it also has fusible links down there. And this ground over here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. What the heck is this? They got this ground bolted up to top of the intake, and it's tight. All right, let's get up under there. I can see the starter right there, actually. See if I can get a light down there. I see the wires, but I don't see nothing. And this truck looks pretty high, so maybe I can just get up under there. You know, nice clean floor too. So let's get up under there and see what we can see. Right back. All right, guys, got the truck jacked up. Got a nice secure jack stand up under there. I love these jack stands with that pin that goes through there. Some heavy duty jack stands. All right, let's go up here and see if we can get to from the front. He's got enough clearance. Let's climb up under here. Let's see, we got a new starter, huh? All right. Why do I see, I see the wires, well, what the heck? They got a wire here that, I mean, that wire is so close to the exhaust system. I think that's the S terminal. Wow, they got that thing wired up close to that. Alright, now as far as anything else, I don't see those wires that I'm usually looking at with the fusible link and all. I don't see it. But that wire is... somebody messed up really big. I can see that thing burnt right there. This starter's gotta drop down. That wire is definitely... It should also been like a heat shield on this, and it's not. You know, let me see if we can see better through the wheel well. Be right back. All right. Look through here. Look at it, guys. Look at that wire. That wire is right there up against the exhaust manifold. I mean, that's something you just don't do right there. Look at all those wires. You know how hot that exhaust manifold gets? And they got those wires like that? Alright. Look right here too. This is coming. Look how close that. But that's going up against a heat shield. So I'm good with that. Alright guys, look what we got here. What is this? But that's not original, so why do they got that wired up like that? Alright. I see an issue here. So what we're gonna do here. Come on, right. Oh, okay, no, that's coming right to the battery. That's it. Alright. We got a solderless connector here. Like it pulled right out of the wire. We're gonna get us a new one. We're gonna hook up in here. Alright? But we do got an issue down there by that starter. That starter's gotta drop. We gotta get some kind of heat shield on that. Let's hook this up. Get a new one up there and get this going. I'll be right back. Alright guys, got me a solderless connector here. And what I want to do here, let's get these out of our way here. Got me a pair of wire strippers, and on these wire strippers they got the color codes up here, which is cool. So I know when I crimp it, I'm going right to that yellow one. All right. So what I'm gonna do first of all, I'm gonna go over here. I want to make sure this is nice and tight right there. Then I'm gonna put my solderless connector in there, and then I'm gonna crimp it right there at that point. Make sure that's nice and tight. Alright, that ain't coming out of there. Now on the other end, what we're going to do here is we're going to have to get us some wire snips. We're going to cut the other one off, just like that. Then I'm going to strip this back. This is a thick wire right here. There we go. Got that strip back. Twist it. And then I'm going to get that inside there. And then I'm gonna crimp that off. Make sure you squeeze those really tight so that don't come out of there. And you know, also I'm gonna have to talk to this customer about getting a battery hold down. Because with this thing's jumping around like this, you definitely don't want that. And another thing is, let me grab you. We're looking inside here. You notice how the harness is up against that, even though it's up against the heat shield right there. It's kind of dark in there. But I want to move that harness out of the way. Get that harness over to the side. And maybe what I'll do is get a wire tie, something to bring it and tie it to the AC line to get that out. Matter of fact, let me get a wire tie and put it around there. I want to keep that away from the exhaust as much as possible. All right, so let's get that done. Right back. All right, got that wire tied up out of there. All right, now let's go over here. And get the camera. You gotta walk around the long way. All right, got a light in there. Headlights are on. All right, let's see. There we go. Look at that. Charging system is working good because the customer thought the alternator might have been no good, but the problem was, being that wire was off, he just barely made it home and it just came up. Wasn't charging at that point either. All right, that was good. Nice, quick, and easy fix, right? You know, funny, if you had been in the shop, they would have said, well, we got an electrical issue and we're gonna check the fuses and charge them about $200. That's what they would do. They charge about $200 on diagnosing it. But we're Astral, so we're different. All right, I'm gonna let this down. But what I'm gonna do, that S wire, starter wire on that starter, I want to definitely situate that. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect the negative battery terminal, and I'm gonna reroute that. But other than that, we fixed. Right back, guys. All right, guys, I got the starter down, and you can actually see the burn mark on that wire up there. And if you look up into the exhaust, up on the exhaust manifold up there, you see the burn mark. This thing was a fire hazard waiting to happen. So why they didn't do this, I don't know. Man, put a starter in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this off of the solenoid, the S wire, and we're gonna loop it right between here, so it can stay away from that exhaust manifold. All right, I'll let you see it when I'm done. Right back. All right, there you go, guys. I got that wired through that way, so it's definitely away from the top. All right, we got the two long 9/16 bolts. This is not a video about doing the starter, that's why I ain't really go into this. So I'm gonna put this starter right back up in there and bolt it up. Right back. All right, got it away. Let's go ahead and get from under the truck and look at it from the other side. Now we're not touching. Man, they should put there's supposed to be a heat shield on this, and it would be a good idea to put a heat shield on this, because that is like really, them cables are really close to that heat. We got that main one away, and that's what I was concerned about. All right, we'll be right back.